Wear gloves when working with the razor-sharp cutting blades. Place your robotic lawnmower on its back on a soft, clean surface. Make sure the main switch is off. Remove all grass you can reach by hand. Use a brush to remove dry grass. Mix a mild soap and water. Use a damp cloth and wipe off the dirty areas. Never use water under pressure when cleaning your Husqvarna Automower. Again, wear gloves when working with the razor-sharp cutting blades and make sure the main switch is off. You will need a large Phillips screwdriver for this. Align the hole in the skid plate with a screw. Hold the plate and unscrew the cutting blades. Replacement blades come with new screws. Always change them as well. Clean the area under the blades. Use the new screws and attach the blades. Check that the blades can move freely.